Today, we look forward. We look forward to a new and exciting era of growth and opportunity with a new president at the helm.
Dr. Clark's background in healthcare and research and his decade of experience in academic administration are excellent assets for Athabasca. On behalf of Premier Smith and the Government of Alberta, congratulations on this wonderful honor and exciting opportunity.
At AU, we know who we are and what we stand for, passionately and with pride. We stand with and for all learners. We believe that everyone should have access to a world-class university education. Everyone. That every person's talents and potential deserve to be nurtured. In this, for this, AU educates learners like no other.